Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. And in this video we are going to change the engine oil on our Suzuki Access 125. So for this I have got a 20W40 engine oil. Also we could use 20W30, so both are of the same grade actually. So it costed me around 332 rupees. To check the oil level in our scooter, on the right hand side there will be a black color oil stick. So you could loosen it up and see whether how much oil is in your vehicle. The oil level in my scooter is bit low, and also it's become blackened. So 650 ml is the amount of oil that we need to fill in our scooter. So I think there's no 650 ml oil can available in the market. So you just need to get a 800 ml or liter can, so that you could refill it, and also you can top the engine oil in the mid cycle. And also same as the leveling dipstick, that's the place where you have to fill the oil. So to drain the oil, there will be a bolt underneath it, so you have to loosen it up using, it's actually a 17 mm I guess. So you have to loosen it up and drain all the oil. As I used a ring spanner, the drain nut got blunt too much, so I had to get a new one. So to remove that drain bolt, I used a heat gun. Sorry, I couldn't film that one. So this is the new drain bolt. As you could see, it's with the new o-ring. And this drain nut actually costed me around 70 rupees I guess. And this is the old and the new drain nut. After draining the oil out, you just tighten the drain bolt. You could also use some sort of sealant to avoid leakage. And after tightening the bolt, just started to fill the oil. So I have measured the oil around 650 ml and kept, so I'm just filling it up. So I didn't have any special funnel for this one, so I'm just using a small old bottle to fill it up. So as my scooter has run around 27,000 plus kilometers, so next time when changing oil, I should be using some engine oil flush. So after filling the oil, tighten up the oil filler cap so that there won't be any air leaks in it. So thanks for watching this video guys. So do like, share and subscribe to channel.